Yay! Snow! Uh-oh! I'm stuck! Oh dear! Help! Ooh! Hey! Funlings, help! I'm stuck!
Oh, alright, Thomas.
The snow's blocking me in.
Oh, yeah. Nope, I can't move it. Aha! I know what to do! Ta-da! The jet!
Yay!
Yeah, that will work. Here we go. Uh-oh.
Whoa! I can't stop.
Oops. Oh well. I know how to free Thomas. Wizard Funling, clear the snow. Okay, Funling.
Yay!
Yes, brilliant. Okay, Wizard Funling, clear the snow. Okay, Funling. Huh? Why'd you do that? Because it was funny. Oh dear.
Oh, Funlings!
We're thinking. Aha! Yeah, I can clear it.
Yay!
Oh yeah, that will work. Fix it, Funling. Yeah, can you free Thomas? Sure. Yeah, I can clear that snow.
Uh-oh!
Oh dear.
Oh no! Oops. Uh-oh. You're free. Phew. Bye.
But I'm still stuck.
Oh yeah. Aha! Got it. We'll melt the snow with this.
Yay!
Finally, a good idea. Here we go. Now we wait. Huh? What? Did it work? Oh, no, it didn't. Maybe it's not strong enough. Whoa!
Huh? Whoa! Turn that light off! I can't see! Ah, that's better.
Oh, well that was a rubbish idea. Oh, sorry Thomas, we can't help.
Oh.
Help! I still can't stop.
Hey?
Whoa! Ooh. Phew! I've stopped.
Gordon, you freed me! Yes! Thank you, everyone!
Yay! We did it! We did it! We managed to get Thomas out in the end.